Welcome to 19616 Utopia Lane, our newest listing right here in the coveted Place at Corkscrew community, located in sunny Estero, Florida. We are so excited to share with you this gorgeous summerwood that is on one of the best lots in the community. So let's take a look, come on inside, and you might just get a little sneak peek, but you're gonna have to wait till the end to see the full view. One of my favorite things is when you can walk in the front door and look all the way through the house and see your outdoor living area. But before we get there, let's take a look at this really nicely optioned home. I want to point out that this home is extremely neutral. They've upgraded, they've got the high baseboards, crown molding throughout most of the first floor, and gorgeous plantation shutters on all of the windows. And as you're coming into the second bathroom, you can see that they have tiled all the way to the ceiling and made it a walk-in shower. Two really smart and nice upgrades for this floor plan. And the Summerwood is a very popular floor plan. There are many ways that you can configure it. And they have done the smart upgrade. They've taken the tandem garage and turned it into a third bedroom with a walk-in closet, making this floor plan configuration a 3-bedroom plus den. The Summerwood has a dedicated laundry room, and it has so much space in it compared to a lot of floor plans here in Florida. So they did go ahead and choose to add the mud sink. And you can see they've got extra room in there for storage. They've added a freezer, lots of options for adding additional storage and making great use of this space. Check out this gorgeous kitchen. It's not too hard to envision yourself cooking up a nice little gourmet meal with the quartz countertops. They've done gray, island, white, beautiful selections, super cool lights. They've added lights throughout, which you can see there are a lot of extra can lights, upgraded Whirlpool Gold appliances, and don't forget the walk-in pantry. Check out this gorgeous shower. Well, not yet. Got to see the pocket door first. Huge walk-in shower, tiled all the way to the ceiling. It's pretty fantastic. We've got the dual sinks with a gorgeous quartz countertop. I love the chrome selection on all the hardware. Very large walk-in closet in this Summerwood floor plan. You also have a great size linen closet. Super important. Check it out. And then of course, your personal water closet with a door. Beautiful custom drapery in this home. And if you watch any of our videos, you know one of our favorite features is the pocket sliding glass door. So this is a triple slider that pockets all the way to the side opens up that living space into your outdoor space, which is awesome. And then, of course, the star of this home, in addition to all the beautifulness inside, is that amazing western water view. This is one of the largest lakes. In fact, I believe it is the largest lake here in the place at Corkscrew. And this lot is truly incredible. Just envision yourself sitting out here watching the sunset every night. Sunsets in Florida are special. And you will not find a better view than what you've got right here. That is our amenity center across the lake. If you can envision a lovely golden or rosy sunset, the splash pad all lit up, absolutely gorgeous.
So that's our newest listing in the place at Corkscrew. If you want to know more about this community, make sure you check out this video. This house is being sold turnkey, which is super exciting because if you have a toothbrush and a suitcase, you're ready to move in. If you want to know more about this, be sure to reach out to us, 239-776-6872.